Cash advance apps usually do not rely on a traditional credit score the same way a bank loan does, which is why they are often considered by people with limited or no credit history. By the end, you'll know what to look for in a cash advance app, which types of apps are worth comparing, and how to avoid choosing one based only on speed. The best cash advance app, for someone with no credit history, is the one that checks your eligibility using factors beyond a credit score and clearly explains its costs, requirements, and repayment process. Apps like Bridget Dave, Earnin, Clover, MoneyLion, Instacash, and other cash advance services are designed around helping users access money before their next paycheck. However, each app uses its own approval process, account requirements, and availability rules. The first thing to check is how the app decides eligibility. Some services may look at information connected to your income, account activity, or other financial details, instead of focusing only on your credit history. The second thing to compare is the total cost. A faster cash advance may not be the best option if the fees or optional charges make repayment harder. Before requesting money, review the full amount you will repay and any membership or service costs. The third thing to check is the repayment setup. Look for an app that clearly shows when repayment happens and how it affects your available balance. A simple repayment process makes it easier to avoid unexpected problems. If you have no credit history, avoid choosing an app just because it advertises quick access. A company's eligibility rules, transparency, and account requirements matter more than a single feature. Before signing up, compare at least 2 or 3 apps, read the current terms inside the app, and confirm that the service is available for your situation. The right choice depends on what you need most. If you want a simple cash advance option, focus on clear pricing and easy repayment. If you want a service with additional money management tools, compare those features separately. To summarize, no credit history users should focus on eligibility rules, total costs, and repayment terms instead of looking only at approval speed. Your next step is to check the requirements of a few cash advance apps and compare them before requesting money. If this comparison helped you understand your options, like the video and subscribe for more practical money app comparisons.